What's up, everybody? Welcome back for another episode of the Marquavion Show, and today I have something really special in store for you guys. As you may see and as you may have already seen, this wonderful wall here, I am going to be explaining and showing you guys exactly what it took to make this happen, exactly how I did it, and I'll tell you guys some of the tips and tricks along the way so that you don't make the same mistakes that I made during my process. If you guys don't already know by now, please go like, comment, and subscribe. I will be giving you guys content similar to this, but not always like this. So please, if you guys enjoyed this, or if you enjoy me, I enjoyed me, so you should enjoy me. Please go and hit that subscribe button. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly what I did here. So I hope you guys can replicate this same thing if you choose to do so. Thank you. I'll be back. Alright guys, so before we jump into this project, let's go over a few materials you'll need. First, paint. For those of you who have walls that are not already white, you'll need to select 4 paint colors of choice. If you do have a wall that's already white, then you'll only need 3 of those colors. Next, paintbrush rollers and paint trays. For me, I decided to have 1 paintbrush roller and 1 paint tray for each color so that you're not mixing paints. Next, detail brushes, and these will be used for the hard to reach areas that the paintbrush rollers can't reach. Frog tape. You'll want to get 2 different sizes of frog tape, one wide and one slim, to create your 2 different thicknesses of lines. And lastly, plastic tarp. This will help keep any dripping from the paint getting on your hardwood floors or your carpet and ruining them. Now that the wall is all white, you can begin taping. I started with the thicker frog tape to start my lines. Since this is abstract, there is no specific way to make your lines connect. You can just freestyle and have fun. After finishing your thick lines, now it's time for the thinner tape, and this will make your slimmer lines. Once again, there's no specific way since this is abstract, so you can just freestyle and connect the lines randomly. Now that all the taping is finished, you want to label each section for the different colors. You can use the tape that you already purchased or use sticky notes. Lastly, try not to have the same color side by side. Now we will begin painting, and I am using a small paintbrush roller for each section. The first coat can be a light coat, because you'll be doing 2 to 3 coats for each section. Be sure not to paint into the other sections as much as possible, but if you do, it's no need to worry. You'll be painting over it with the next color anyway. Next up will be the black paint. Once again, we will just repeat the same steps that we followed for the gray paint. Finally, we are down to the last color. It is important that you are careful because you don't want the red paint to fall on either of the other sections that you've already completed. If a mistake happens, no need to worry, just hurry and grab a wet paper towel to clean it off before it dries onto that base color. After painting all sections, I let it sit and dry overnight to make sure nothing will be wet when it's time to take off the tape. If you're anything like me, you can just find something to do in the meantime. After everything is dry, you can begin peeling the tape. Take this time to enjoy the masterpiece you've created. For many, this will be the most satisfying part of the entire experience.